Hello scientific brilliant people, how are you today? So today we are going to discuss problem number 12.4 of Atoms chapter grade 12 physics Ncert textbook. So here they say that an electron jumps down from one orbit to the another. So let me take two orbits, and this is suppose EI, and suppose this is kth orbit, ith orbit and kth orbit, and they are telling that the difference between these two orbits in terms of energy is 2.3 eV. So it is given to us that Ek minus Ei, that is equal to 2.3 eV. Now, what is the frequency of radiation emitted when an atom makes a transition from upper to lower energy level? This means that when atom makes a transition, that means electron from higher orbit jumps down to the lower orbit. And when electron jumps down, as per the Bohr's postulate, when electron falls down, a photon is released in that process. One transition, one photon will be released, and this photon has actually energy HF, and that should be equal to the difference in energies Ek minus Ei as per Niels Bohr. So this is what I am going to use over here, guys. We are already given that this is 2.3 eV, and that is equal to H times F, where F is the frequency of the photon which is emitted. So let me convert this 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 in joules, that is equal to F, and this H is going to come over here. So H is 6.62 into 10 raised to minus 34. So let us solve, and since everything is in SI unit, we will get the SI unit of frequency over here. So the frequency answer would be in 1 upon second or the hertz. So let us calculate that 2.3 divided by 6.62, that is equal to 2.3 divided by 6.62, that shall be equal to 2.3 multiplied by 1.6, that is this, and divided by 6.62, that is 0.555 into 10 raised to, this is 34 minus 19, so that is 10 raised to 15. So if I convert this in proper significant figures, it will be 5.55 into 10 raised to 14 hertz. So in our textbook they have rounded off to one decimal after one digit after decimal. So this is 5.56 into 10 raised to 14 hertz. So this is our answer to the given problem.